Welcome to your Forever Daily Essentials, featuring our Aloe Body Wash and Radiance Face Wash, a complete routine to keep you fresh. Like, share, and subscribe today.
Every day is a new opportunity to feel fresh and confident. That's where the Forever Daily Essentials kit comes in. It's like having a personal care squad right at your fingertips. First up, the Radiance by Forever Face Wash. It's gentle but effective, leaving my skin feeling clean and refreshed. Then I follow it up with the Radiance Moisturiser for perfect hydration without greasiness. For my body, the Aloe Body Wash is a game changer. It cleanses and nourishes, making shower time feel like a spa experience. And Aloe Lips with Jojoba keeps my lips soft and smooth all day long. In today's world, hand hygiene is a must, and the Forever Hand Sanitizer is my go-to. It's quick drying and doesn't leave that sticky residue. Finally, I love finishing off my routine with Dream and Desire by Forever. They add just the right touch of fragrance, keeping me confident and ready to take on the day. With this kit, I'm not just going through the motions, I'm embracing every moment.